In this practice, you will insert several blocks with attributes. You will also use Find and Replace and the Enhance Attribute Editor to change the value and the properties of the attributes in the title block. In this task, you will insert several blocks with attributes. Open the bracket-ADI drawing. The drawing opens in Layout 1. Insert the block border-B at 0, 0. The Edit Attribute dialog box opens automatically. In the Edit Attribute dialog box, fill out the fields with the following text. And click OK. Note that the information is added to the title block. Open the Tools palette and select the Annotation tab, if required. Insert a copy of Drawing Title-Imperial under top and bottom model views. It is inserted without prompting for the values. All of the attributes values in this block have been preset. Insert an additional copy of the Drawing Title-Imperial block anywhere to one side. Now, explode it. The information is lost and the attribute tag information displays instead. Erase all the components of the exploded block. Zoom in to the lower right corner of the title block. In the Insert tab, Expanded Block panel, expand the Attribute Display drop-down list and click Hide All Attributes. All of the attributes become invisible. In the Insert tab, Block panel, expand the Attribute Display drop-down list and click Retain Attribute Display. All of the attributes return to their normal visibility status. In this task, you will use Find and Replace and Enhance Attribute Editor to change the values of the properties of the attributes in a title block. In the Attribute tab, Text panel, type Ascent in the Find text field and click Find. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click the down arrow to expand it and verify the block attribute value is selected to be included in the search. Ensure the Find What string is set to Ascent, and in the Replace with string, enter Ascent-Rand worldwide. Click Replace All to replace all of the strings. A smaller Find and Replace dialog box opens indicating the number of matches that were found and changed. Click OK, and then click Done to close the Find and Replace dialog box. In the title block, note that the new company name is bigger than the space provided and extended beyond it. Double-click anywhere on the title block to start the Edit Attribute command that opens the Enhance Attribute Editor dialog box. In the Attribute tab, in the list of attributes, select Company. In the Text Option tab, change the width factor to 0.7. In the Attributes tab, select the Drawing attribute. In the Text Option tab, change the text style to Title and ensure the justification is set to center. In the Properties tab, change the color to green. Click OK to close the Enhance Attribute Editor dialog box. Note the affected change of the title block.